Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. So this week, Gloria and I decided to use sleds. Anyways, and we also have another designer who's going to join in this week, which is UCYIMADIVA, and she's a great creator. So I will leave Jill's channel down below, as well as Gloria's channel and UCYIMADIVA's channel. Also use those hashtags, and you'll see those up above or down below. And go over and visit these ladies. Make sure you enter into Saturday morning makes and share what you have been creating. Anyway, so let's jump right in. Gloria and I are using the same sled. We have the same sled, but if you don't have a sled like this, you can use any kind of sled you want. So, and just use that hashtag so we'll know and can be able to visit your channel. Anyway, so we're using Crafting Desert Divas. Now, this is a company that has closed their shop a while ago, but we were able to pick this up at a discounted price before they closed. Love this sled, and it also came with this Santa boot too. But the sled is what we're using. All right, and then I am also using, let's see if I can pop this on the back side. I don't know if you can see that better. Anyway, so I'm using this embossing folder. It's from LDRS Creative Basic Picnic Quilt. That's what I'm using. So you can go over and see if they have this. I don't think they do. I think they sold out on this one. I think it's discontinued. And then I am using these fluted classic rectangles. Love these. I love these. So I was so happy to pick that up on that buy one get one free sale. This was a freebie from scrapbook.com a while ago, and so I had gotten that. Pull that out to use that. This is actually from my creative time called Festive Branch Dies, and I think she does not have this in her shop. I love this. Love this. And then these little mini bows, which are also from my creative time. Love these. And then I'm also using this paper rose shaker mix. And these put off a beautiful sparkle. Love them because they have different sizes in those. All right, here we go. I love how this turned out. Look at the sparkle, the shine, that glitter. I also used the mirror cardstock on there. I love it. So this glitter paper came from Dollar Tree. This one, the teal one, came from BB Craft. And then there goes those little gems from Paper Roses. I just love this card. I love that embossing folder behind there. I think it just adds the perfect touch. And then there goes the inside. I didn't put anything in the inside. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not for sure, other than that die that I used. But love this. All right, so make sure you head over to those ladies' channels and see what they have created. And if you want to join in on this, all you have to do is put in that hashtag two crafters, one design, and use a sled this week. All right, so the other day, I want to say it was last Saturday morning makes, I offered at the end this stamp set. And then you needed to leave pure and simple in your comment section. And I was going to give this away. So let me show you who the winner is. All right, Karen Blake. Just as long as you are in the US and subscribe to my channel, which I did check and see, I know you're subscribed, this is yours. So I will leave my information right up here or either in the description box. Either one, if it's in the description box, you will have to remove the spaces out of that and send me an email and letting me know what your address is. And I will get this right out to you. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Congratulations, Karen.